Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 18th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 9295. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars by the publisher. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always one. Only one single box. Always a one. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. The 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1. Here the 1 and the 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? Nope. How about triple boxes? Do we have here triple boxes here? Nope. How about quadra boxes? Well, I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2. Oh, overlook this quadra box. We have 2 quadra boxes. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Then only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And we have 2 of this kind of shapes. Then the last shape, I believe, this shape. Yeah. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Okay. Let me see. These 3 boxes. So the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Ah, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1. And the 5, we have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Oh, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Well, is connected with that box, which is 2 and 5, but we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, which is a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. But also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And then let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there then. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, which is a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. Well, I've marked this box with a 1. So not a solution, place the 1 there. Only place level 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, okay. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Quadra box area, supposed to be there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. The difficult part. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Double 2 there. Can be a 3. So 4 or 5. The numbers left. Yeah. 4, 5. Here. 1, 2, 4. Yeah. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5 is also connected with that box. 4 and 5 is also connected with that box. 4 and 5. But we already have a 5 here. So this can be 5 and more. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 4, 5. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes all the way to 4. We have a 4 now. So this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 and 5. We have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 5 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes all the way to 1. We have a 1 now, so this can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. Is also connected with this box should be a 1. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Mark those two boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, I thought it was maybe a 2 stars. No, it's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. I also can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.